What if you treated your most important muscle the same way you treated your biceps, with a proper warm-up before performance? You know you would never walk into a gym and go straight to the heaviest lift there without warming up first. But I guarantee you, you're skipping the warm-up for your most important muscle, and it's costing you. I'm going to show you a 10-minute protocol that my patients say has been a complete game changer. And stay until the end, because I've got something for free for anyone who wants to try this. My name is Pulice. I'm with Las Vegas Aesthetics. I work with men every day on performance and confidence and sexual wellness issues. 25 years experience, thousands of patients seen, thousands of treatments performed. So what I'm about to share you, it's not theoretical. It comes from real conversations with countless real patients. And the surprising part is this isn't just for men who are struggling with medical issues. Some of the best results come from guys who thought everything was already fine. They just want a little boost, right? So think about what happens before any athletic performance. There's always a warm-up. And the warm-up does 3 specific things. It increases blood flow, it loosens up the tissue, and it prepares the muscle for peak output. Now here's what most men never consider. The tissue that we're talking about is a muscle. It's smooth muscle, but it responds to the same principles. But nobody warms it up. You just expect it to perform. It's like performance on demand, right? So it's like walking into a gym cold and trying to deadlift your max. Doesn't always work so well. Now the question is, how exactly do you warm this thing up that you can't exactly take out of the gym? All right, that's where the protocol comes in. But first, here's what many men in my practice consistently report after adopting this pre-performance routine. Number 1, increased confidence. They feel ready instead of hoping that it works. Number 2, noticeable physical difference. Size, firmness, quicker response time. Number 3 is duration. Most common thing I hear, I didn't know that it could perform like that again. And it's always great to hear that from patients. Here's the part that surprises most people, that these are not men with true diagnosed conditions. They're healthy guys, like in their 30s, 40s, 50s, who just wanted to optimize. So what is this protocol? Well, let me walk you through this step by step. And I call this the Las Vegas Aesthetics pre-performance protocol, and it takes about 10 minutes. Step 1 is you get yourself one of these, a medical grade vacuum pump. And you want it with a gauge on it so you can monitor where you're at. So when you're doing this, this will be snug to the body, and you're in here, okay? You're in here, and when you're pumping this up, this tube is going to create the vacuum pressure, and it's exactly what you want to happen. You want this negative pressure. Think of this like a construction crew is going through an area, and they're clearing out the ground, and then they're laying down the concrete and the asphalt, and they're paving new roadways. Clear it out, pave new roadways. Clearing out, pave new roadways. And this is what happens inside you. New vasculature, new nerve endings. So your blood flow increases, your sensitivity increases, and it's exactly what you want. It's all about blood flow. So step 2, you're applying it correctly. You're going to about 6, 7, 8 on here. You don't overdo it. We'll get to that in a second. And then you're holding it. Okay, you're holding it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, you release it. 30 seconds. Then you do it another 2 minutes. Then you release it for 30 seconds. Then you do it a 3rd time for 2 minutes. Release it for 30 seconds. Do it again. 4th time. Hold it for 2 minutes, then release it for 30 seconds. And then you do the last one, which is 2 minutes. You release it, and then you go about your evening. The tissue has been primed. So when the moment comes, your body is ready, okay? The key insight is that this isn't really about the device itself. It's about blood flow. It's about tissue expansion, and it's about preparation. The device is just the most efficient delivery method. Now, before you go buy the first crazy thing you see online, let me tell you what most people get wrong. And you want to make sure that you're actually getting results and not wasting your time with this. Mistake number 1, using some cheapo gas station device or an unregulated product. Not all pumps are created equal. The medical grade matters, the gauge matters. And also for this, I went to the experts, the in-use experts. Many of my patients are in the adult film industry, a lot of them. And this is the pump that they all use because of the gauge, okay? Number two, overdoing the pressure. More is not better. You don't want an injury. You want a warm-up. Number three, you do it once and then you quit. Like any type of training, consistency compounds the results. So, and number four, not combining it with a comprehensive approach. The pump is one tool in a larger system, okay? That's actually why we do things a very specific way in our clinic. So here's what I want to offer to you. If this protocol makes sense to you and you want to take it seriously, we're doing something I've never done on this channel before. You book a free consultation with our team at Las Vegas Aesthetics. There's no cost, there's no pressure. It's a real conversation about your goals. And if you move forward with your first treatment, we'll include the medical grade pump at no additional charge. So you can start this pre-performance protocol immediately. The link will be in the description. The spots are limited because these are real one-on-one consultations with a team. It's not a sales call, I wouldn't do that. But whether you book or not, try the warm-up. Your body will thank you for it. And if you got value from this, do me a favor, subscribe and write a comment below and ask me any questions that you might have. This is a brand new channel and I've got a lot more protocols and tips and patient insights coming that you won't find anywhere else. So hit the button and hit the bell and so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Take care. Tom Pulice, Las Vegas Aesthetics.